Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Set the correct frame rate. Click to start. Click on setting. Go to system. Click on display and scroll down. Click on display, advanced display. Scroll down. Reference rate. So select the correct reference rate for your monitor. 60, 120, 144. Okay, and then close it. Next method. Then next method, click to start, type device, right click to, no, we can just single click to open it. Then extract display, right click to update driver, search automatically, then close it. Then again right click to click property and driver, and it if it is showing here like roll back, just click on it, then click to OK and then close it. Okay, then install again once again latest driver. So open any browser, type the your graphic card model number, and then then type driver download and then hit enter. Now first click this is AMD driver and click to download. Now Windows 11, click to download. This is size 623 MB, so it is started. After that it is downloaded, then just single click to open. Now it is started.